This is my first sponsor video which I got from Oxbeam, and I got it from China. If you see it here, it took 2 weeks to receive in India, and I was approached by one of the companies here, the Oxbeam. They make LEDs and other accessories of the car, and they wanted me to do the review on the bulb and I mean the headlights, LED headlight. So I choose to do it for Tata Hexa, and this is the H7 socket, and I received it within 2 weeks. And the moment you open the packet here, you get 2 stickers of Oxbeam, which will come in handy, and a manual book here, Oxbeam. And if you open it here, what do we find? It's general, manual how to install it, and apart from that you get the warranty card as well. It has a warranty of 1 year. This is the bulb, and if you see it here, it looks pretty cool. So these are the LED lights here, and the design is very good, minimalistic. And apart from that, it has the exhaust fan, which will help you keep this bulb cool, so it will dissipate the heat. So this is really good. And apart from that, if you see it here, it has the connector plug and play. You don't have to attach any wire or don't have to do anything. That's why it is H7 socket. Now generally what you have to do is, this is the one you have to unplug it, and this one you have to install it in your car's bulb socket or headlight socket. Once it is done, you can simply insert this and you can simply fit in. This is just the unboxing. I will go ahead and show you how the installation is done and how the light is, whether it is effective or not. I've gone through the website, and they have the dealing with Amazon as well, and Amazon, they have a good rating. If you talk about Amazon India, they have a good rating. If you talk about Amazon.com, the other countries like US, they have very good rating as well. So this will be the honest review. I will go ahead and tell you what is good or what is bad, if the light is good enough or not. But I have cleared that I'll be honest. I will not be biased, or feedback will be to the point, and if it is good, it is good. If it is not, then it is not.
Alright, so right now you see is the stock light. It is a low beam. It is a little bit yellowish, but you will be able to find the difference when we install the LED light, which is the white light. And the low beam of the stock light is uniform as well, but the only difference is the intensity. So right now we are driving at a pitch dark road. Right now the low beam is on, but we can hardly see it. The moment we put in the high beam on, then we see something on the road. And the whole picture will change once we install the LED light. Please stay tuned. Alright, so we wanted to do the installation ourselves, but we had to leave for the Spiti trip the next day, so we did not want to take any chances. So we went to the data center, and the executive, the technician, he said that yes, he can go ahead and install it. And he was trying to find out how to install the bulb, because it is a little bit bigger than the stock bulb, because it has the fan for the heat dissipation. The technician could not figure out how to go ahead and install it. So we had seen the video of the installation of the bulb, so we told him to go ahead and do it from the cladding. So finally he opened the cladding and installed the bulb on both the sides. So installing the bulb in the socket was a little bit task, which was done, but the connection was pretty easy. As it was mentioned, it is just plug and play. We do not need any adapter, we do not need any wire to connect. It is just plug and play. Alright, so this is how the stock light looks on your Hexa, and this is the one, the LED light. It looks pretty dope, man. So after installing the LED headlight, we realize now what was missing on the car. So I'm gonna mention few plus which we observed during our Spiti or Kaza trip. Visibility is very important when you drive a car at night in mountain. So we were pretty confident because of the LED headlight and good spread of low beam. So we were confident and we could do night driving for 2 days. Okay, so bulb has been installed and let's go ahead and check the difference. When we shot the footage before for the stock bulb, it has the same camera setting, same road condition, and at that point of time the visibility was not good. But right now, after the LED light installation, visibility has been significantly improved. There's not much difference in the spread of the light, it is almost the same. And apart from all these, it has enhanced the look of your car. So our opinion will be that everyone should go ahead and install the LED light, not because of one reason. There are multiple reasons to install the LED light on your big SUVs. And most importantly, it really helped us during our Spiti trip, and we could do the night driving. And I'm adding some more footage at the end of the video, and it will show you how the visibility was during the trip. And all the shots has been taken at night, and again from the same camera. In our opinion, it is a must-have LED bulb for all the big SUVs. If you want to order one from Oxbeam, you can go to the description below and you'll find the link. At the same time, you will have the coupon code as well to get the surprise discount. It is not only limited to Hexa. If you wanna order the LED bulb for any other car, make sure that you know the socket number, whether it is H1, H11, H7, and order accordingly. And you will also get the surprise discount using the coupon code. Alright guys, so my next video is gonna be regarding the Spiti and the Kaza trip. It was a trip for 7 days. It was really memorable, and I could see the snow up to 5 or 6 feet because of the weather. So if you're planning to go to Spiti, Kaza, if you have any questions, we can connect on the Instagram. The handle is given below. If you want, you can follow me and we can talk and we can connect this way. Hope you like this video. If you have liked the video, please press a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting upcoming videos. Thank you. Alright, so I will connect with you guys again on my next video. Till then, be polite, be humble, take care of yourself. Bye bye.